about you? I hope you enjoyed the last lecture we had on approximation. Now today we'll be looking at number base. But first and foremost, I would like to introduce the topic to you. Now when we talk about number base, most times when we do our addition and subtraction, it's always on base 10. Now what do I mean? For example, if you are told to add this, ordinarily while you were in primary school, while you were in your early class, all these numbers, when you want to add, for example, what do? You have this plus 5, 6, 3. What's the next thing you do? 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 6 is 10. You write 0, you carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now, these numbers that you add, they are all in base 10. Do you understand? Now, but there are some other base apart from base 10. This is your ordinary addition that you know. There are some other numbers that are not in base 10. They could be in base 2. There's nothing like base 1. They could be in base 3, base 4, base 5, and the rest. Now, I want to teach you first and foremost how to convert from base 2 to base 10, how to expand when you are talking about number base, because the first thing you need to learn is what? Expansion. I will restrict my lectures to base 2 because of your class. Now, let me teach you how to expand. Expansion. Let's take a look at expansion. If you are told, for example, to expand this number 1011, expand this. Now what you simply do is this. First and foremost, let me clarify something. You can see that I wrote 2 here. Now this 2 is what we refer to as the base. Base 2. Now all the numbers I wrote here, 1011, they are all in what? Base 2. Now this is how it goes. If you are dealing with number base, if you have base 2, the highest number in base 2 is 1. So you can have 0 and 1. If you are talking about base 3, you have 0, 1, and then what? 2. If you are dealing with base 4, the highest number will be what? 3. You are dealing with base 5, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Base 6, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the highest number is always that base minus 1. I believe you understand what I mean. For example, if I have 6, the highest number you can have under base 6 is 5, meaning 6 minus 1, which is what? 5. You understand? So from here I can proceed to my expansion. Now you understand why I have 1011. I cannot have 2. That number 2 in what? Base 2. Do you get it? Since the highest digit is what? 1. I hope that's clear. Let me teach you how to expand, because this is one of the best ways, or this is the way we change from every other base, either base 2, whether it is base 2, 3, or any other base, to what? To base 10 that I did here. Now, in order for you to expand, what do? This is how you go about it. You write 1011 base 2. Then the next thing you do is you apply your power. 0, 1, 2, and 3. The highest power is what? 3 here. The first one is 0, because when you write your digit, the first digit is 0. 1, 2, and 3. Now, in order to expand, this is what you do. 1, you open bracket, you write this 1, you multiply by the base, which is 2. Then you place the power on top of the base 2, which is 3, plus 0 times 2, the base 2, place the power on it, like that, plus 1 times 2, place the power on it, then you have this, plus the last number here is 1 times 2, place that power on it, you have 0. I hope it's clear. Now, this is the process by which we expand. Then what do you have? Now, take a look at this. When you have 2 raised to power 3, look at this. If I have 2 raised to power 0, anything raised to power 0 is 1. Now, if I have 2 raised to power 1, that means I only have 2 in how many places? 1. 2 raised to power 2 is what? 2 times 2. Do you get that? Now, 2 raised to power 3 is what? 2 times 2 times 2. 2 raised to power 4, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 raised to power 5 is equal to what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope it's clear. And so on. You understand? So, when we have this thing simply means 1 times what? 2 raised to power 3. 2 times 2 times 2. Like that. Plus 0 times, in 2 places, 1, 2. Like this. Plus 1 times 2. Just in 1 place. That's why I wrote 2 here. Then plus, this one is 1 times 1. I hope that's clear. Then the next thing is what? 1 times 8. Plus 0 times 4. This is 2 times 2 times 0. Okay, let me just read straight. So you have 1 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is 8. Plus 0. Plus 1 times 2. That's 2. Plus 1 times 1 is 1. Now, because we are only expanding, I'm teaching you how to expand. This is where we stop. Adding everything to write the answer is another thing entirely. So, it's just expansion I'm teaching you today. I want to teach you how to expand each base. I hope that's clear. So, you stop here. Do you understand, class? Oh, good. Now, I would like you to try these questions for me. Expand the following. Now, give it a try, and then I'll see you in the next class. Thank you very much.